Hello, my name is Keely Fox. I'm a park ranger here at Dixon Lake and Daly Ranch. Daly Ranch is an amazing place and it's home to so many animals. Today I'm going to introduce you to a few of the mammals that live here, starting with the smallest in San Diego County, the shrew. The specimen I have here is an ornate shrew that was kindly loaned to us from the San Diego Natural History Museum, along with the other specimens you see. Shrews are tiny insectivores that have incredibly high metabolism, so they're active day and night, always in search of food. As part of the food web here at Daly Ranch, shrews are mainly preyed on by owls, but can also be eaten by other predators. Another mammal we have are field mice, which feed on grains, so they're called granivores. These animals play an important role in dispersing seeds through the chaparral. In addition to seed dispersal, they're also a food source for many predators, including coyotes, owls, bobcats, and other predators that are quick enough to catch them. Field mice carry hantavirus, which can be transmitted to humans by inhaling airborne particles from their droppings, often found in unused buildings. When visiting Daly Ranch, please keep yourself safe and away from the buildings you see along Ranch House Road. Moving up in size from the field mouse are wood rats, which are a favorite of mine due to their elaborate cone-shaped nests they make from sticks and plant materials. Wood rats also have the name pack rats because they collect shiny objects they found, such as plastic wrappers and lost keys, to decorate their homes. As a defense mechanism, wood rats will slap their tails on the ground, creating a clattering sound to ward off predators. They are herbivores and they prefer to eat oak leaves and twigs that are high in tannins that are toxic to other mammals. The nests that they build require so much energy that rather than building a new nest for every generation, multiple generations will use the same nest, and a nest can be lived in for up to 50 years. The nests that wood rats build are a good example of why you shouldn't take anything from the ranch. Collecting sticks or plants reduces the availability of materials they need to build their homes. So please, take only pictures and memories when you visit the ranch. Like field mice, kangaroo rats forage at night for seeds and stuff them in their cheeks to carry to their food caches. Kangaroo rats are aptly named for the way that they hop on their hind legs and use their tails to counterbalance their weight like kangaroos do. Kangaroo rats primarily move bipedally, meaning that they use two legs. They also rarely drink water because they were able to extract moisture from the seeds that they eat. Kangaroo rats and many of the other mammals here at Daly Ranch are nocturnal, which means it's important for us to respect their space and let them have the ranch so that they can eat at night. Another mammal we have is one that you're probably familiar, which is the California ground squirrel. They're diurnal, which means that they're seen throughout the day. While they seem cute and approachable, you should never feed the squirrels or other wildlife because they lose their fear of humans and can become aggressive. In addition to carrying diseases that can be transmitted to humans, they have a nasty bite. You can just ask Ranger Kathy. Another mammal we have here at Daly Ranch is one you probably heard your parents complain about for digging up their lawns and gardens. It's the underground dwelling pocket gopher. While destructive at your home, pocket gophers are helpful here at Daly Ranch because they help aerate the soil and prevent erosion. Pocket gophers reproduce very quickly since gestation or pregnancies last only 18 to 19 days. And a female pocket gopher can begin reproducing the same season she's born. This makes them an essential part of the food web, and they're eaten by all predators here at Daly Ranch. One of the most important mammals here at Daly Ranch are bats. There are so many misconceptions about bats that they're vicious bloodsuckers or they can turn into people, but really most bats are insectivores, especially the ones that we have here. They're crucial to keeping insect populations down. So the next time somebody said something bad about bats, you can let them know that they eat mosquitoes and they're keeping you safe. So Bugs Bunny cousins live here and they're called brush rabbits. They're crepuscular and they're active at dawn and dusk, and you've seen them during the day as well. They're herbivores, so they eat grasses, but I've also seen them eating French fries in the Daly Ranch parking lot. It's really important that you properly dispose of your food waste, including orange peels, apple cores, and banana peels, because these can be damaging to animals' health. When one population declines, such as the brush rabbit, this has a domino effect on other populations like snakes and coyotes. So as Escondido residents, we are neighbors with the animals that live here, and it is our responsibility to be respectful and responsible when visiting Daly Ranch. I'm Angel Keeley, and thank you so much for your attention.